from the SpongeBob musical. Yelp Edition. Good morning, world, and all who inhabit it. How I love this town. When the sun shines down on a beautiful Bikini Bottom day. Good morning, Patrick. What are your plans for the day? No, Patrick. It's a beautiful day. And a lot of things rhyme with rock. Clog, smog, electroshock. Ooh, pop and lock. Good morning, Squidward. Ah, it's a great day. In fact, I'd say this could be the best day ever. I don't know, but I kinda liked it. Time to go to work at the greatest restaurant there is. Bye, Patrick. I'll see you at work, Squidward. I can't wait for another fine day at the finest eating establishment ever established for eating. The Krusty Krabs. Owned and operated by Mr. Eugene Krabs, Bikini Bottom's most popular dining establishment. Home to the Krabby Patty, where I